Hi guy, my name is Min and I'm a local guy from the Mekong River. I'm very grateful to welcome you guys come to the Mekong. So, okay, go. Okay, we can go.
All right, first we're gonna have a lunch. Oh, what is this?
The first
I was standing in the sun. Perfect, I got a new watch.
Wow, that's so cool.
New watch.
I like it. Wow, he looks like a tiger. Let's go.
Now we're going to the place they make the coconut candy.
Coconut candy?
Factory.
Really?
Bruh.
It's really yummy.
Không
Huh?
có đường đâu chị.
What do you think? No, you don't like it?
Let's go. We go to the famous island.
What is this?
Crab fishing. 10,000 Việt Nam đồng for one.
Oh, we're gonna fish something. Okay. 3. We need 3. Oh. Oh, look, a lot of crocodiles. You want to try to catch a crocodile?
Oh, wait.
You really think you can catch it? I don't think so. He has way more power than you guys.
Go a little bit down.
Wow, he's very strong. Look, pull it. Wow. Look, he just opened his mouth and waiting for the meat. It's called not catching. It's called fitting.
In the mouth.
With 2 hands.
Are you serious right
Yes.
now?
Don't drop it.
Be careful.
But don't drop it. If you drop it, they're gonna fly on you.
Can somebody hold it, please?
Are they slipping?
No. Here they just take the honey from the bee nest.
Can we eat it? Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oh, I feel it.
Wow, big portion. How's it?
So sweet.
Yeah.
This is faster than the engine, yeah?
MJ, look what you've done to his hands. Look, traffic is coming. Look. Hola.
See you again.
How'd you say hello?
Hello, xin chào.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Chào. Xin chào. Xin chào. And people live here, right?
Yeah.
MJ, don't kill us.
Dad, you better sit in the middle for balancing.
Really?
Because you're the heaviest.
Thank you. So you calling me fat or
I'm
what?
not calling you fat.
Xuân đã đến bên em dẫn xuân tuyệt vời. Xuân đã đến bên người, xin người hãy cùng em vui xuân.
Thank you. Wow.